I am the best looking bird. Who's this imposter in this mirror? Hey you. I am the best looking bird. You're in my territory? Get out of my territory, you. This is my territory. I was telling it that one. Look at. It flew over to that one. Crazy bird. Look at that. Crazy bird. What's with the mirror? Apparently that bird thinks these cars should not be anywhere near here. Hey birdie, that car is not going to listen to you. You're not going to be able to make that car go away. It's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. You're going to hurt yourself whacking yourself on that car. And you're not going to be able to claim that it hit you either. You may have a really good lawyer, but this car is not going to go anywhere.